Hey everyone! It is with great enthusiasm that I share with you the result of hours of dedicated work on a true work of art, the 3D sculpture of the Hammerhead Titanothere, one of the most awe-inspiring creatures in the Avatar universe. Upon encountering the majestic sight of this Pandora and herbivore in the film, I was overcome with irresistible inspiration. I knew I couldn't pass up the opportunity to immortalize this creature in a tangible and immersive form, thus giving rise to the project I present to you today. In order to provide an engaging and accessible experience for everyone, I decided to document the process in a time-lapse. This condensed form of presentation allows all of you to witness the evolution of the sculpture, from the initial strokes to the final form. It's an opportunity to experience the magic of creation in a fraction of the time devoted. Zbrush, one of the most powerful 3D modeling tools available, provided the perfect environment to breathe life into this vision. Every stroke and curve was sculpted with meticulous care, aiming for the most faithful reproduction possible. From the textured details of the skin to the impressive bone structure, everything was painstakingly crafted. The process, spanning several hours, was a journey of patience and passion. Each virtual brushstroke was a step closer to capturing the essence and grandeur of this being from the Pandoran wilderness. Every minute invested was a tribute to the beauty and complexity of the universe created by James Cameron. Upon completing the sculpture, the feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction was indescribable. Observing the Hammerhead Titanothere take shape and come to life in the digital world was an experience that left me speechless. It was as if, through my creation, I could feel the breath and vitality of Pandora's creature. I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed this journey as much as I have. The creation process was a true ode to the beauty and complexity of nature, and sharing this with all of you is an honor. If you too were touched by this experience, I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos and to leave your like, which will help me continue sharing more of these incredible creations with all of you. I am immensely grateful for the support and the opportunity to share my passion with you. Until next time, and may the magic of Pandora continue to inspire us. Bye.